Hello guys and welcome to another tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to resize your images in Adobe InDesign. So now you will need to open your InDesign software and follow these simple steps. Basically, to resize an image we need to add one. So you can go to the file and import file, or you can just go to your image where it is contained in your laptop or desktop in your PC, and then you will just drag it and put it here in your page. So now I'm going to add my image. Let's search for any image here, and I will search here, and I have this image now. So I will go here and drag it, and I will use it, double click, just one click, or you could have like you will have it here in the original size, and now you can like resize. You should double click your image and you will resize it, and you will have it like that. I know the quality of my image is quite bad, and now you can resize it. Or otherwise you could just drag your image, and while selection you could have it like that, and it will be resized. So basically now I can resize my image and like that. So, or you can click on Control to have your borders in your image resized simultaneously, so you will have like a linking between the images. I know the image is a bad quality, but this will work with any other images that you are adding in Adobe InDesign. So basically this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching and goodbye.